Welcome everyone. 24 hours later, no one has actually made a working macOS Big Sur install tutorial. You can see this one doesn't work, this one doesn't work, this one doesn't work, this one doesn't work, this one doesn't work. So I would like to show you the real way to install macOS Big Sur on your MacBook. First of all, let's make sure we are supported, as Big Sur has dropped last year's devices. So you will need 2013 or later MacBook Air, late 2013 or later MacBook Pro, 2014 and later Mac Mini, 2014 and later iMac, 2017 and later iMac Pro, 2013 and later Mac Pro, and 2015 and later MacBook. If your MacBook isn't supported, I know this might sound crazy, but you're not going to be able to install Big Sur on your MacBook. Crazy, right? So we'll go to this link in the description, betaprofiles.com. People ask me, why aren't you using the official Apple site, right? Like, why are you redirecting to this site? Is this fake? Well, I'll tell you why. Because the official way to install macOS Big Sur costs £100 through Apple's developer program. In a couple of weeks, there'll be a public profile available for free. But if you want to install it now, you have to be a paid developer. But with betaprofiles.com, they have taken the profile and they've re-uploaded it for free, which means everyone can download macOS Big Sur completely for free. So that is why I'm not using Apple's official site, because do you have £100 to update, and then 2 weeks is going to be for free? You get the point I'm trying to make. Let's proceed. So we'll scroll down and we want to find macOS 11 download. We'll tap on the blue download, and it really is this easy. We'll have a .dmg, we'll click on it, and it will verify. Of course, macOS is it basically comes with every antivirus ever, because it has so much security. We'll double click on the .package, and we should be brought to here. We'll tap on the continue, agree, and it's going to say install. You need to do your Touch ID or passcode right there, and it will install the beta utility. So currently, we'll close out this and we'll move to bin. So we'll go to the Apple, we'll find about this Mac, and we'll find where is it? Interesting. There we go, software update right here. We'll click on software update, and you can see right here it says your Mac is up to date, macOS Catalina. We'll go to advanced, and we need to restart our MacBook, because you can see macOS Catalina, last time I checked, wasn't macOS Big Sur. I know that might sound crazy, but there you go. Well, we've already installed the profile, so that shouldn't be a big deal. So we'll just restart the device. I'm going to forcefully power off. You don't have to do this, but I want to, save time. And once we've restarted, we'll go back to that page, and we should get macOS Big Sur available to download. So I'm not going to cut this, so you can see this is a fully legit tutorial. There's no Magic Man's wand. There's going to be no, special effects. So we'll just reboot into macOS. Thankfully, I have the 2019 MacBook Pro 16-inch. So annoyed. 2 weeks after I buy the Mac spec, they released another Mac spec, which was interesting. But 700 quids. Okay, no, thank you. I'll keep my 5500M with 8 GB of VRAM. So we'll unlock the device, and this time we should see the jackpot. So we'll go to software update, and it should show us the latest version. We'll make sure, I'm just going to make sure I'm on the Wi-Fi, because this Wi-Fi is faster. We'll go to about this Mac. We'll go to software update. Now it's going to say checking for updates, and macOS Big Sur should show up this time. So it might take a bit of time. iOS is a lot worse, but there we go, macOS Beta. So that took a bit of time, and it says your Mac is enrolled in the Apple Developer Seed program. So we click on upgrade now, and this is a 10 GB file. So I don't want to cover how to install it in this video. Literally, just stay on this page, and once it's done, you'll have an install button, or we will automatically reboot you if you have automatically keep my Mac up to date enabled. So that is literally, I can't believe, I don't know why people fail to do this. How hard is it to install the beta profile? It's not very hard. I can do it in 5 minutes. Why are there all this, BS crap right there? I don't get it, but this is the real way to install macOS Big Sur onto your laptop. We went through every troubleshooting. You saw I had a bit of issues with the software update. Restart fixed it. iOS is, you don't need to like restart, so that kind of threw me off. So that's how to install macOS Big Sur. Hopefully you enjoyed.